Hey, welcome back to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe, and today we are going to be making Christmas stocking. The Christmas stocking is made of high-quality linen material, durable and not easy to rip or broken. Also with a color skin-friendly velvet sock belt and sturdy sewing thread can serve you for a long time. Linen Christmas stocking measures about 11.8 by 70.7 inches, providing plenty of rooms for Christmas presents or candies. We offer red and green to you, so welcome to contact us if you are interested. So now let me show the supplies we use today for you. And today we are going to use our Galaxy 105 HS to do the diamond. Also with heat-resistant glue, heat-resistant tape, sublimation planks, templates, Teflon pillow and Teflon sheet. And the reason why we use Teflon pillow is that we want to achieve a full printing result, but it's better to use a hollow design for linen material to give you a natural feel. If you are going to achieve full printing, I suggest you to choose this one, Chopping Christmas Stocking. Before printing, here are some tips for you. Firstly, please put the brim of the stocking outside because it can stand very high temperature. Secondly, preheating for 5 seconds to remove the moisture and give you a nice printing surface. Thirdly, please put the Teflon sheet on both sides before printing, making sure that there's no excess ink or anything from the previous application that's going to transfer over to the products and keep the machine clean. Okay, now let's start printing. Put the Teflon pillow, then is Christmas stocking. And please remember, put the brim of stocking outside, then is the Teflon sheet. Okay, now let's start preheating for 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. Okay, now let's tape it down well. Okay, that's it. The printing temperature and time I set is 195 degrees Celsius for 45 seconds with high pressure. Okay, now let's start pressing. Put the Teflon pillow and Christmas stocking. And please remember, keep the brim of stocking outside. Next one is Teflon sheet. And now I'm going to heat. Heat resistant glue to protect you. And time's up. Let's check the printing results. Okay, I think that's amazing. Okay, now let's take another one. Well done. Because the green one is a hollow design, so we don't need Teflon pillow. And put Teflon sheet, Christmas stocking, and another Teflon sheet. Let's press in. Okay, time's up. Let's see this amazing result. The linen Christmas stocking is pretty suitable for placing a lot of gifts and decoration, and you will find the link in the description below. I hope you know better about how to print the linen Christmas stocking. Thank you for watching and see you next time.